Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, recording in March 2025 at the Mallory Square Market in Key West, Florida. Over here is the Conch Tour Train, a train coming right through. This is an experience where you can pay and get a guided or narrated tour of the area. So pretty cool train coming through here. No tracks, but still an experience. Many of the other cars meeting in this area, and Sunset Glassblower on this side. Many other shops in the area. You see Shipwreck Treasure Museum, Key West Aquarium, Shell Warehouse, Key West Sponge Market, and Old Town Trolley, which we're seeing come through on this side, or at least something like it. Various rooster gifts, Southernmost Point, USA. Many shops in this area, magnets, looks like exotic birds hanging, and lighthouses. So a lot of cool items here. Definitely saw the roosters. That was an early video. And this is the Shipwreck Treasures Museum. So tickets to get inside. Some statues on the outside. Looks like a dice game on this side. And a photo op here with a sailor. Lots of bikes parked on this side. And Caribbean Cargo, private pirate quarters, gifts and souvenirs. Key West chicken coop, some hanging monkeys on this side, and really big roosters, crafted roosters. Their train on this side. This is it, world famous Conch Tour Train, and a map. Harry S. Truman Little White House, 2 blocks away. Zachary Taylor State Park. Lots to see in this area, as you can see the map. This is the train once again. Paintings of seahorses, some roosters up there. They like the roosters, I do too. Pineapple, different birds. And here's another one of the tours, trolleytours.com. All the different stops. You can see some palm trees on this side. Another shop, get a taste of the ocean, yummy crab seafood. On this end, looks like a lot of ceramics across the street. The Surly Siren, and the front of the train in the back. And another building, shops at Mallory Square, so perhaps more like a flea market area. Unique stores, food, attraction tickets, the only escalator in Old Town. And you see another area with rooster art on this side. It's pretty cool. And inside you can see greeting card shop, boutique shops. Pretty nice. Some music in the back. We'll try to avoid that for YouTube monetization purposes. And a performer on this side. Another shop, Pirate Paradise. Another trolley area. And a center of the town square. Lots of foliage, different trees, and another building to the side. Museum entrance. Nice building. Using my extendable stick, you can get a little bit of a higher view of it. It is the Key West Museum of Art and History. A cool piranha on this end. Justin Vacula, the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Key West, Florida. Stay tuned for more content.